welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but as you saw by the title, I am doing a pumpkin inspired Halloween makeup look. This is a collab with my best friends. I was going to say here on YouTube, but she is my best friend in real life. I love her so much. Her name is Brittany, and I will link her channel down below. It's Dubbz, and we both love spooky season. We both love Halloween, spooky season. I got color on my fingers. But we both love Halloween. It's our favorite time of the year, and I get to go out there very, very soon. It's only a few weeks away, and I'm so excited to see her. We are going to be doing like a spooky box swap. Also, don't mind my voice. I am getting over being sick at the moment, but yeah. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, and if you want to see how Brittany got her look, go check out her channel, support her, guys. She's amazing. She's so sweet. She's having Halloween giveaways going on right now, so be sure to go enter those and make sure you follow the rules. Like I said, her page will be linked down below. Brittany is so creative, and she's doing so amazing with makeup. She's really venturing out and coming out of like her comfort zone, and she just had like this, I don't think that she really knew she could do special effects makeup till she actually sat down and did it, and she's really good at it. And guys, I do want to say that this might not look like the best, but I absolutely love doing special effects makeup, but I have not done it in like a few years. I'm going to be showing you guys a separate video on all of the looks that I have done, and it's going to be a really small, short video. I'll probably show you guys just like all the looks that I've done, and just some like ideas for Halloween, I guess. But it's something that I love doing, and this would have been way better if I would have had more practice and stuff to it, but at the same time, it's very hard to do when you have a toddler. And hopefully next year, depending on how you guys like this video, next year I think I'm going to be doing, when Halloween time comes around, I'm going to be doing so much more special effects makeup, because it's definitely something that I love to do. My voice is so hoarse-like. But anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can do kind of a pumpkin look like this, then just keep watching.
Alright, so first I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner and just kind of trace out the area that I'm going to paint the pumpkin inside. This step is super easy. You can kind of do it however you want. You can just do half your face, you can do part of your face, and then I outlined the eye, then did the nose, and also the mouth. So I'm going to grab my maroon, I think that's how you say it, palette. This is well loved, as you can see. I've had this for more than a few years. And guys, this is the best face paint palette that I have ever come across. As you can see, I got some water in a cup with a thicker like makeup brush, and then just put that on the paint, kind of like if you were going to paint something. It's pretty self-explanatory. Also, my voice is kind of horsey. I do apologize. I'm getting over being sick. But yeah, as you can see, when I put this on the face, it's very pigmented and it goes on super easily compared to if you're getting some of that Halloween paint that's more kind of like a greasy consistency. That goes on just a little weird. This goes on very nicely, and as you can see, it's super easy. I'm going to do this with the orange and then go in with that black face paint and fill in all those other areas. Alright, so then we're going to go in with a black shadow. You can use any black shadow you want. And we're going to create what looks like to be cracks. And I'm just going to start off right here in this pointed area with a thinner pencil brush. You can kind of do this however you want. It's super easy. I think this just makes it look a tidbit more like your face is cracked in, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And I do that into a few other areas as well. And then also just darken up that line. All right, so next up I'm going to go in with that black shadow again and then just make some lines to make this look a little bit more pumpkin-like. And I'm just going to really shade it and blend it out. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Apparently I'm really bad at describing things. But I'm going to grab a brown shadow and add this to like the side of where I added the black lines to help with shading, because I can tell you guys right now, this look looks like, what makes it look so much more realistic is the shading that you do. But you don't have to do the shading. You can just do the basic, what I did, the black and the orange, and you don't got to add all the lines, but you will see how this look comes alive after I do all of the shading. So I'm going to get some of that brown again, and what we're going to do is, this is the most important part, I feel, of the look, because it really makes it look like your skin is being just like ripped out. I don't know. Again, I'm very bad at describing the whole makeup thing, but when you see that I'm doing this, you can just see, excuse me, you can see the difference that it makes. And if you really just apply it a tidbit darker right in that corner like I'm doing right here, and then lightly blending it out.